Hello and welcome back to the channel. Again working with P4, and like you saw, I was welding in engine bay. So what I did weld, I did weld holes but I don't need anymore, like throttle cable hole, broken then hole, because I don't use it anymore. I have this 01E gearbox and I don't have this adapter. Let's see them. Here's the hole for the throttle cable, and here holes for broken then, and here also. So yeah, they are now closed. And I think it's now almost ready for preparing it to paint. Need to sand these, and then I can add primer. Yeah. So also let's see inside of the car. Here I did remove all factory insulation mat, then cleaned all the glue and add some zinc coating some places, and now I'm starting to install this sound insulation mat. I'm only using it on firewall and gearbox tunnel. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. I have here some comfomat. It should be really good. We will make template and cut it and install it. Looks quite nice, shiny also. Also I did get this special tool what you must have to roll all on the body. Yeah. So we have now need template. So template is here and we have cut it. So I did make this a little bit bigger holes for the straps what holds the wires. Okay, let's see how it will fit. So, welcome to my P4. I am not a big sound man, so I have never installed something like this. I don't know, I like more engine sound than this badass sound system, I think.
Right now I don't know if I'll ever
sound insulation mat is installed, some small places to make, and then it's ready. I have all the old insulation mat in one bag, so I will weight it for the next episode. And also I know how much weighs one sheet of this installation mat, so I need to weight these what I did not use and make a small calculation how many kilograms is more now. But I think it's a lot better because factory one is 1.8 millimeters and this new one is 4 millimeters. So I think it's a lot better, more quiet interior. I think I want to start slowly assembling interior. In next episode I think we will swap here electrical front windows, because this one has mechanical and this old P4 has electrical front windows and electrical mirrors. So we will take them and install them here, so you can see how to install electrical windows if you don't have. And yeah, need to start working this engine bay also, preparing it for painting. I'm starting a new series in this channel. It's called Car Workshop Life. There you will see what I do in my workshop every day. And so there will be test drives, fixing the cars, some project cars, and that kind of stuff. What else? Taking some parts from store. So all the kitchen side of my workshop, you will see that in those series. And yeah, so Christmas are coming. This year I don't drift around the Christmas tree because I don't have car. So you need to look the older last year's Christmas tree drift video, link is here. We're back after holidays and building this, making this a new series. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment what you think, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!